Hello, today we will see how to add free SSL certificate in Amazon's EC2 instance using AWS Certificate Manager, that is ACM. For this, we have to make some configurations in the following parts. First one is in the route 53. Here we will create hosted zones. Second one is in the ACM, where we will create new certificate for the domain. Third one is in the load balancer. But before going to the load balancer, we have to configure in target groups. Go to route 53, create a new hosted zone with the same name as you register your domain. Once the hosted zone is created, it will give you the NS record, and you just copy all the 4 values of the NS records and paste in your domain's DNS records. Now go to the certificate manager and request a new certificate with the same name as the domain name, and also make sure that you have created another field for the subdomains by putting star dot your domain name. Now wait for the CNAME to be generated, and once the CNAME will be generated, add the CNAME records in your hosted zone by pressing the button above it, and wait for it when the status will show as issued. Now we will go for the load balancer settings, but as I said before, that before setting up the load balancer, we will set up the target groups. So we will now go for the settings for the target groups now, and after that we will do the settings for the load balancer. Now create a new load balancer and select the application load balancer and give the name, and select the instance you have to associate, and select the target group as you created before. After creating the load balancer successfully, it will generate a record, and this A record is to be added in our route 53, the hosted zone we have created before. Now everything is okay, and we will check our website is running or not. You will see that our website is running both in HTTP and HTTPS also. So for redirecting our HTTP requests to HTTPS by default, we will do the configuration after this. One thing you notice here that HTTPS is not running properly. So we will check that in our inbound rules the HTTPS protocol is added or not. So that is the reason I think the HTTPS is not loading. To redirect the default requests to HTTPS, we will do this configuration in the load balancer. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.